If you thought iOS 18 was cool, get ready for a major upgrade with iOS 18.1. Apple's latest update, iOS 18.1, is rolling out now, bringing a slew of exciting features to your iPhone. First up, Apple Intelligence. This AI-powered tool is now available for iPhone 15 Pro, Pro Max, and iPhone 16 users outside the EU and China. Whether you need help with emails, cleaning up photos, or an upgraded Siri experience, Apple Intelligence has got you covered. And that's not all. iOS 18.1 introduces call recording. With a simple tap, you can record your calls, and an automated voice will let everyone know it's happening. Your recordings will be saved to the Notes app, and newer iPhones even offer call transcripts. Plus, Messages gets even better with expanded RCS messaging support, now including Messages for Business. This could be a game changer for businesses targeting iPhone users. So what are you waiting for? Update to iOS 18.1 and experience the future of iPhone technology today.